Ukraine, a nation forged by resilience and tempered in the fire of war. Since 2022, Ukraine has transformed its armed forces into one of the most battle-hardened militaries on Earth. Today, in 2025, it stands as Europe's 10th most powerful military and the world's 80th. Personnel, over 1 million strong, including active duty, reservists, and territorial defense forces. These men and women are not just soldiers, they are survivors. Warriors forged under relentless pressure. Tanks. More than 1,400 main battle tanks ranging from upgraded Soviet-era T-6s to modern Western-supplied Leopards and Challengers. On the battlefield, they roll with purpose. Symbols of defiance and national pride. Artillery, over 2,000 artillery systems, including HIMARS, Crab, and M777 howitzers. These precision strike platforms have redefined long-range warfare in Eastern Europe. Every round launched is calculated. Every target, a lesson in accuracy. Fighter aircraft. More than 20 aircraft, including MiG-29s, Su-20s, and NATO-supplied F-16s. Ukrainian pilots now train across the globe, from Arizona to Poland, mastering Western tactics and technology. Helicopters, dozens of combat helicopters, including Mi-8s and modernized attack variants, buzz low across contested terrain. Drones. From Turkish Bayraktar TB2s to homegrown reconnaissance UAVs, drones form Ukraine's silent vanguard. Eyes in the sky strike from the shadows. Navy. Though diminished, Ukraine's naval presence in the Black Sea remains tenacious. Missile boats, sea drones, and naval infantry conduct coastal defense and daring sabotage operations. Air defense, a sophisticated web of Western Patriot systems, NASAMS, IRIS-T, and Soviet S-3s. Ukraine now holds the line against cruise missiles, drones, and hypersonic threats. This is not the Ukraine of 2021. This is a battle-born nation, fighting with intelligence, innovation, and international solidarity. Every trench, every drone, every soldier, Ukraine's military is writing history, one defense at a time, and the world is watching.